Today I'm making passion fruit flan using fresh passion fruit from my garden. This channel is dedicated to the things I make using ingredients I grow myself. I grow a lot of passion fruit because it's such an easy crop and plant to grow. If you'd like to learn how to grow it too, I'll link my passion fruit garden guide in the description along with seeds and plants from my nursery. And if you'd like the full written recipe and exact ingredient quantities and detailed directions, you can find that linked in the description below. Let's get started. First, let's make the caramel. In a large saucepan, add sugar and water. If you'd like a deeper passion fruit flavor, you can also add a little passion fruit juice to the caramel. Place the pan over low to medium heat and gently whisk. This step requires attention because caramel can go from perfect to burnt very quickly. You're looking for a golden amber color. As soon as it turns color and smells like toasted sugar, remove it from the heat. Don't let it get too dark or it will taste bitter. Carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking pan. Tilt and rotate the pan quickly to coat the bottom and slightly up the sides before the caramel hardens. Set that aside to cool for about 30 minutes before putting it in the fridge to harden some more. In a blender, combine sweetened condensed milk, whole milk, eggs, and passion fruit juice. I strained the seeds out of the passion fruit juice to give the final flan a more silky texture. Whisk until everything is fully combined. Be careful not to overblend because that can create bubbles. If you want an extra silky flan, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Now pour the flan mixture right over the cooled caramel in the pan. Cover the pan tightly with foil to prevent a skin from forming. Place it into a larger baking dish and carefully add hot water around it until the water comes about halfway up the sides of the flan pan. Bake for about 1 hour, then remove the aluminum foil cover and bake for an additional 10 minutes, or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. If it still has a slight jiggle in the center, that's okay. It will continue to firm up as it chills. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then refrigerate it covered for at least 8 hours or overnight. This step is important because it allows the flan to fully set and the flavors to deepen. The next day, it's time to unmold. Take the flan out of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving so the caramel can soften slightly. Run a butter knife gently around the edges to loosen it. Place your serving plate on top, then flip it over in one smooth motion. Give it a few seconds and you'll hear the flan pop down onto the plate. Slice, serve, and enjoy. And again, if you'd like the full recipe with measurements, it's linked below. If you're interested in growing your own passion fruit, check out my garden guide and plants or seeds available on my nursery, all of which is linked in the description. Enjoy!